presenting a pre-owned 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8-liter. 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8L. Power, luxury, and sophistication redefined. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 114,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Calling all car enthusiasts. Meet the 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8L, a stunning blend of power, luxury, and style. Equipped with a 3.8L V6 engine delivering an impressive 311 horsepower and 293 lb-ft of torque, this beauty is built to thrill. The sleek Santiago Silver exterior paired with a plush black leather interior exudes sophistication, ensuring you'll turn heads everywhere you go. With 18 mpg city and 29 mpg highway, this Genesis proves you can have power and efficiency in one luxurious package. And with excellent overall condition, a clean CARFAX report, and just one previous owner, it's a reliable choice. Ready to upgrade your drive? Visit us today and experience the 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8L for yourself. You won't regret it. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.